Hello! Lovely day we're having.
Yeah, definitely, yeah. Yeah, just send me back.
Good day.
Hey,
Welcome to my park.
your park?
Yes, I designed this.
No, you didn't. John Olmstead did. Oh, well, no hard feelings. This park's got to go.
Come on, let's go for a walk. So, why are you tearing down this park?
Well, you see, in a couple decades, this park will be just gross, nasty, and no one likes it anymore. No one comes here anymore. So, why are you trying to bad thing into a profit?
It's preposterous. We can't destroy this beautiful park. Corporations don't have the right to do that.
Corporations have the right to do anything.
But that's madness. Here, let me change your mind. Come on, look at these wonderful flowers. I mean, you don't get that with buildings and things like that.
So I gotta future grind this. Hashtag Olmstead sucks.
Clean water. You can only really get that from nature.
That's not too bad, actually.
Now do you see why we need to save the parks?
Well, you see, the thing is, in the future, this park is disgusting. The people in Seattle, they're ashamed of this park. There's no real reason to keep it around. So as much as you can try, there's no way I'm gonna save this park.
From an artistic and architectural point of view, the people of Northwest have nothing to be ashamed of. This place is a beautiful reservoir of nature and wonderful art and architecture.
You can talk about all the art you want, but that's not gonna bring any money in.
Money?
That's right.
This is your golden nugget. You're disgusting.
Wait, hold on, man. Hold on. There you are. Listen, I'll put away the phones. Come on.
No.
Can I come up there? Listen, let me talk to you, okay?
What do you want to talk to me about?
Listen, I just wanted to say that I think I was wrong, actually. I actually see now what you're talking about. This place is beautiful. But I don't know what to do. I don't know how to stop.
You just rebuild nature. Restore this park. Make it beautiful again. You gotta be a reconstruction man, not a deconstruction man.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You know, I think you're gonna do alright, kid. Say, what was your name?
Oh, my name is Considine. John Considine.